Trader Joe's dog. Stop sign. You're too close. Foliages and a stop sign runner. What the hell was that for? Oh, let's see your face. Stop sign. Oh, the night. Hey, nice cut off. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Try a blinker, stupid. What the hell are you doing, dummy? Hiya, hello. I guess you don't have Easy Pass after all, huh? Nice casual driving style there you got, dude. Now I go home. I'm going home. I'm going home. And exit regret. Blinker maybe? Thank you. Oh, there's your blinker. Used last time. We're zigging, we're zagging. Yeah. Now you're gonna stop for the stop sign. Like he didn't. No. And he blew the lot. Next one. Unfortunately, the camera didn't pick that up because I had to stop. You know, like the law says. Stop sign, don't cut off the Nissan, like you just did. Oh. Hi, doggy. Hi, hello, hello, hello. And that's way too close. Did you want to stop? Left lane closed. I don't know what the hell you're doing. Oh, thank you, Toyota. Thank you so much. Yep. See those signs say left lane closed? I mean, the left lane's closed. That was an exit dive, yeah. Yep. dive. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Comes too fast for a man of me. Slow down, Toyo turd. Wow. Why the hell is everybody moving right? Well, Jesus Christ, dude. Uh-huh. Yep. 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 How far that got you, dude? Yeah, back again, yeah. Touch the devil and couldn't let go. Exit BMW. Boing, 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 boing. But you are clueless. Big signs, easy to read. Hello. Yoo-hoo. Now, she's not gonna stop. Correct. You know, there is a stop sign here. I'm stopping anyway. There's nobody coming, but I'm stopping anyway. You didn't stop behind me. I think you ran the red light. Did you see me opening my door? What are you doing? What the? Yeah. Yep. Who got nabbed? Move over. Green. Just cut him off. Small dive. Whoa, jeez. Okay. More. He went straight from the left turn. Oh, good. They finally painted that. Good. I think that was an exit dive. Where the hell are you going? That's exit regretting. Yours cannot see. That's no. No. Just because you're traveling together doesn't mean you get to run the stop sign. No. Okay. Try that with a blinker next time. You too. It's not a lane. That's not a lane. That's right. It's not a lane. Watch out, kids. Maybe if you were paying attention, you would have seen him there. Off the swing, because Run the right on red. Da, da, da. Because Toyota. Tailgate much RAV4? Yeah, I don't. Yeah, you're too friggin' close to him. Christ, I couldn't even slip my car into that space. And not for him is all that it seems. I think that was an exit dive. Toyota, very likely. Round the road, changing. That would not set me free. Will not set me free. No. No lane splitting, douchebag. That Subaru just cut off the van. Huh? What? Yeah. Are we holding you up? Terribly sorry, dude. Yeah. Wrong lane, Mr. Chevy. It's the wrong way to yield, Mr. BMW. Do you see those cars? See them approaching you, shithead? I mean, the Amazon van's not supposed to be parked there, but hey, there's this taxi. I mean, it's a bus stop. There's no parking zone, period. Oh, put down the phone. Yeah. Right turn only. RAV4. And he's still on the phone back there. And I think he went straight from the turn lane.
Depression and anxiety. They also have people living with higher levels of pollution are twice as likely to experience mental health issues as those in the
You're in the red.
researchers think
1, 2, 3. Make your own crosswalk, honey. No problem.